Hey, it's Andre. It's time for the Friday Flying Update. Parts are in for the big airplane.
Into the sun right away. I gotta move that battery forward. A little tail heavy still.
Actually, you're looking at footage of the very tail-heavy Durafly Buffalo. So I'm going to add a little nose weight. I don't think I did too much damage. I actually would pick up the airplane, but my hands are busy with this thing. Man, I just got back. It's Friday evening. I got the Lowells. I picked up some wooden dowels. So those are 1/2 inch by 36 inch. And you can see where I'm going. I'm actually going to try my hardest to 3D print some parts. I'm going to design it, so I want to sit down on my new my newer PC this weekend, and I want to design something in Fusion 360 that will work with the wing and the dowels and slide in and lock the wings. And it's going to be the same size wing, but I'm going to give it more cord. So I'm going to actually use 4 sheets of foam board instead of 3, and so you'll have a center section which will be 40 inches by whatever width we pick, or I pick, and that'll allow me to space the motors out, keep it all in one centerpiece, and then the wing ends will have the pieces that will slide in and lock into the center wings and everything. I may get really cute and design some motor pods in 3D, and the whole V2 of this aircraft will come along. I've got some neat ideas I've sketched. I just have no idea if I have enough talent to actually design this stuff in Fusion. So this plane's heavy. It's a good workout for my arm. Flight test. Look at this, guys, the A10. Now, I don't know if I'm going to have time to build this bad boy up before Flight Fest this year, but it's here. It's finally arrived. The A10. I flew this thing in Texas last year for Flight Fest Texas in the West Coast. Well, not West Coast, but Texas. Loved it. Absolutely loved it. I have all the motor parts and everything off the old Sea Duck, which crashed, and I plan on using that on this airplane. I think when I'm in Ohio, I might pick up some C-Packs. I definitely want to pick up a C-Pack for the Corsair, just to see the new one, the radial, just to see how it's going. Tons of other parts that come in for the RC trucks. I killed the Traxxas. I blew out 2 ESCs on the Bronco. I think the servo got wet, something fried, and it took out the 2 ESCs. The regulator, the voltage regulator. So I have a third one coming in. I've got spare stuff, equipment to get them all running. I also got some parts in for the Slash, which I hit a tree with there the other weekend. This thing is heavy. Anyhow, like I said, V2 is my priority right now, getting some airplanes ready, getting stuff ready as we start actually flying and enjoying. Who knows? I haven't been out flying in the last little while. I'm missing the Ohio trip this weekend because I spent time with my wife because it was our anniversary. We took a little vacation together, and that's why there hasn't been a whole lot of content, a whole lot of flying or anything like that. Saturday looks like thunder showers and just blech weather. So Sunday I hope to get out and do a little bit of flying, just a little fun. But yeah, it's just kind of just casual and enjoying it. Thank you for all the comments on the Corsair video. Yes, I am trying to relax and enjoy the hobby again and just do some stuff. We will do a podcast next weekend. This weekend, all the boys are just taking it easy. It's their turn for vacation, so they're actually spending time with their family during the Memorial Long Weekend. So there you go. To my American friends, hey, happy long weekend. Canadian friends, hey, hope you get out flying. So I'm Andre. This is Big version 1. I can't wait to see what version 2 looks like. Have a great weekend. Thanks.
Oh, this thing is evil. All right. Fuck it. Bring it in.
Nope.
I think it is him.